Let's unbox this MiNiBRANDS toy advent calendar. I actually got this for Christmas and am finally opening it 1 month after Christmas. I was waiting for the right time so that I would have enough time to be able to film this. So here we are. I saw that Amazon still has this advent calendar available for sale, and the link to it is down below in the description if you also want to get it. The very first item that I am opening up is a miniature Hello Kitty sleep mask. I love Hello Kitty. She is so cute. Some of the painting is a little bit off. There's some red on the white. It doesn't look like it comes off, but it's not too noticeable. The second mini toy that I got is a Ninja Turtle. This one looks like Michelangelo. It is a miniature action figure, and on the very back of the box, they have all the other Ninja Turtle action figures on there. I'm starting to notice that the images on each of the slots do not match the toy that's in the box. I was hoping that they did, but I guess it really is a surprise in each one. This third one is My Little Pony Twilight Sparkle. I actually grew up playing with My Little Pony, so I'm really excited to get a miniature version of this one. This clear plastic case is not removable. I kind of wish it was so that I could take the My Little Pony out. Maybe if I get a duplicate, I'll take it out of its case. And the fourth toy that I got is another My Little Pony. This one is an orange one. It is called Applejack. It has little tiny apples on the side. Behind door number 5 is what looks like a purple Easter egg. It's called Bunny Corn Surprise. I've actually never heard of this. The packaging is really cute. I like the little bunny ears and unicorn sticking out of it. These do look like really cute toys. Number 6 is a blue toy dragon. I guess it's from a brand called Untamed. I have not heard of this one. It looks like they're finger toys. And behind lucky number 7 is a toy water gun. I'm pretty sure my brothers had these when we were growing up. We spent a lot of summers running around the yard with these. This toy has a lot of detail on it. This is why I love MiNiBRANDS. They pay attention to a lot of the tiny details. Toy number 8 is a Wish Come True purse set. This doesn't really look like a purse. Like, it doesn't even have a handle, but it is really cute. I don't know why, but these are starting to get much more harder to open. The 9th toy is called Buncho Balloons. It looks like it's a water balloon launcher. I had no idea something like this even existed. Growing up, we would just fill up water balloons directly on the tap and then just throw them at each other. Number 10 looks like a miniature toy car. These remind me of Hot Wheels, although it is not from the Hot Wheels brand, but it looks like it could be. Number 11, for some reason, I can't open. I don't know why these got so difficult to open, so I'm just going to use a tool to help me open these. It looks like a little potion bottle. Oh, it's a slime surprise. I know that slime is really popular with kids, so I can see why they made something like this. It is empty though, no slime inside. And number 12, oh no, I actually broke the packaging. I know I'm kind of a perfectionist, so I don't like breaking the packaging, even though I know I'm probably just going to throw this away. And here's another Ninja Turtles action figure. This one is Leonardo. This one is a lot smaller than the other Ninja Turtle action figure. Number 13 looks like a box. I'm assuming there's nothing inside. Usually MiNiBRANDS never puts anything inside besides pieces of paper in these boxes. So let's open it up to find out. And just like I thought, just folded pieces of paper inside. One day I'm hoping that they actually put a toy inside. That would just make my day. Number 14 looks like I got another box. This one is the Nickelodeon Slime Station. Surprise number 15 is another Ninja Turtle set. This looks like a sword and eye mask. They really like their Ninja Turtles toys in this surprise set. I've gotten 3 items from Ninja Turtles so far. Toy 16 looks like a Nerf gun. I wonder if this is one of the rare ones because the color is gold. I know that they usually have their rare ones in some sort of metallic color. Toy number 17 is a miniature SpongeBob SquarePants, or actually, this one is SpongeBob Underpants. They did not include his pants. I don't get it, but the miniature SpongeBob is still really cute. Number 18 is a little Crayola box. I actually don't mind getting a box if it's Crayola. I grew up using Crayola throughout all of grade school, so this one comes with some memories. This one I want to check inside the box just to be sure there aren't little miniature markers. That would be so cool if they actually put mini marker toys inside, but of course they just put a small piece of paper inside. Number 19 is another box. This one is the Foodie MiNiBRANDS, and I do like how sparkly and iridescent this box is. If they made all boxes like this, I actually wouldn't mind getting some of their empty box toys. Number 20 is a miniature version of MiNiBRANDS cases. I find it funny that MiNiBRANDS is making mini versions of itself. That is kind of cute. It sadly does not open though. Toy number 21 looks like a bucket. This is some Nickelodeon slime in the color blue. The bucket does not open, but the handle does move around. I do like that detail on it. Toy number 22 is a twister box. As you guys know, these boxes are my least favorite to get just because there's nothing inside them. Number 23 is a Rubik's Cube that looks like they forgot to put colors on. Oh, it's all gold, so I think this is one of the rare ones. That's really cool, but I don't get making a Rubik's Cube a whole one color. I wish that the advent calendar came with that slip of paper that showed you which ones are the rare ones. And wow, we are at number 24. I can't believe this is the last one. I am having too much fun with all of these toys. And this very last one is a Pets Alive toy, Frankie the Funky Flamingo. And I'm just checking to make sure I opened all of them since they did not number these in order. That's another one of my pet peeves. I wish they would number them in order. And here are all 24 toys that I got from the MiNiBRANDS Advent Calendar from the year 2024. Let me know down below in the comments which of these toys is your favorite. I think mine has to be the My Little Pony just because I grew up playing with them and I love the level of detail that they put in to these miniature toys. There are a lot of toys that I'm not familiar with. That's probably because I have not been a kid for a very long time, but it was still a lot of fun unboxing these. I would love to get one of these MiNiBRANDS advent calendars before December this year so that I can unbox one for each day in December. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.